Welcome to this tutorial on how to move an email to a new category in Gmail on Android. Gmail automatically categorizes your emails into different tabs, such as primary, social, and promotions. However, sometimes an email may be categorized incorrectly, or you may want to move it to a different category. Fortunately, you can easily move emails to a new category by following these simple steps. First, on your Android phone or tablet, open the Gmail app. You can usually find it in your app drawer or on your home screen. Open the email that you want to move to a new category. Tap on the Move option. If you don't see the Move option, tap on More to reveal it. Select Move To, and then tap on the new category that you want to move the email to. And that's it. You've successfully moved an email to a new category in Gmail on Android. This is a quick and easy way to keep your inbox organized and ensure that emails are categorized correctly. Remember that you can also create filters in Gmail to automatically categorize your emails. For example, you can create a filter that automatically moves emails from a specific sender to a certain category. To create a filter, go to Settings in the Gmail app. Select the account you want to create the filter for, and then tap on Filters and Blocked Addresses. From there, you can create a new filter and customize the criteria. In addition, you can also move multiple emails to a new category at once by selecting them and then tapping on the Move option. This can save you time and help you keep your inbox organized. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and we'll be happy to assist you.